Hello everyone and welcome to TeachTech. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer all your photos and videos from Facebook to Google Photos. So let's get started. First, go to your browser and open Facebook. Log in into your Facebook account. Now, on the top right, click on this arrow and then go to Setting. On the left panel, go to your Facebook information. After this, go to Transfer or Copy of your photos or videos option. Now again you have to give your Facebook password. Now go to choose destination and select Google Photos. Here you can choose either you want to transfer your photos or videos. For now, I will select photos. Then click on next. Now you will have to choose your Gmail account. This account will be used on storing all your photos in Google Photos. Choose your account. Now you have to grant permission to Facebook. Click on Allow. Now click on Confirm Transfer. Now the transfer has been started. It will take a bit of long time depending on the size of photos or videos file. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. So I will see you after the transfer is completed. Okay, the transfer has been completed. This is how you can transfer your photos and videos from Facebook to Google Photos. You can go to Google Photos and view all your photos now from Facebook. This is it for today. I will see you on the next similar videos. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Also, do like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching.